In this video, you'll learn what is drywall cracking, how it's repaired, and how much it costs. Cracking jokes is one thing, but when it comes to cracks in your home, that's when the jokes end. Foundation cracks are one of the most embarrassing things that can show up in your house and won't go away even with patches. With cracks, you deserve to have a crack embarrassing free home. So, what causes it and how does it get repaired? Drywall cracks have three main reasons to appear. First is climate change. Most of the things that make up your home are organic in nature. The wood framing is most impacted by drastic climate changes. When you experience extensive cycles of low and high humidity levels, your wood framing will expand and contract based on the amount of moisture that is absorbed. The expansion and contraction of the framing can create drywall cracks throughout your home. The second reason for cracks is poor construction. Unfortunately, homes aren't always constructed with the best practices. Many homes, especially older ones, were built with less than ideal building practices. Not having been built properly can result in your home experiencing movement beyond the foundation moving. Lastly, foundation movement can cause cracks as well, either from the house settling or experiencing heaving from water intrusion or even tree roots lifting a portion of the home's foundation or the home slab. Drywall cracks within your home will happen, and knowing the cause of the cracks will help you better assess the correct repairs needed to remedy. If your cracks are due to foundation issues, the best way to fix them is with a pier system. There are two piers types, helical piers and push piers. Helicals look like a big screw which is screwed into the ground, and push piers look like rods that are pushed into the earth. Both piers are inserted into the ground until they hit load-bearing soil or even bedrock. If you're dealing with cracks in your home, you should get your home inspected for foundation issues. A quick way to see if cracks are due to a foundation is to place a marble on the floor where you feel like the cracks start. If the marble starts to roll, you definitely have some foundation settling. But if the marble doesn't roll, it's not 100% that it's not foundation related. It really kind of just depends on the house and if it's settled a lot or just a little bit. The time to get your cracked home fixed is as soon as possible. If you don't, prices for repairs are only going to get worse, and it could start affecting more of your home if it hasn't already. With cracks only being just one symptom, you could get even more symptoms such as doors and windows not opening or closing correctly, sloping floors, stucco cracks, and a plethora of other things. There are a couple of solutions to your drywall crack issues. There are helical piers and push piers, with piers to re-level your home costing roughly between $2,000 and $3,000 a piece. An average cost to re-level a home is roughly $24,000 to $25,000 in California and Arizona. With our pier systems, they have a lifetime warranty, and not just your lifetime, but the lifetime of the home. Moving forward with a free inspection is very easy. If you contact us, you can get in touch with one of our foundation specialists within 48 business hours, and from there, they'll set up a day and a time to check out your foundation. Dealing with sloping in your home is not fun. Please click the Get Started link in the top right-hand corner of our website and get your inspection process started. Thank you for watching this video, and remember, never settle for a cracked up home.